Want to go out?
No, not really.
Games?
Got any good ones?
There should be some in the basement.
Rad, let's go.
Maybe they're over
Here! Are you okay?
Stellar.
You're such a klutz. I'll go clean it up. Hey, Hope! Look at this!
Oh, looking bodacious.
Well, thank you. Hope?
Yeah?
I think the necklace is glowing.
Get real. You're tripping.
Hope?
What are you... What the fuck just happened? Are you okay?
Yeah, totally. Where exactly are we?
Let's find out, I guess. What the fuck?
We need to figure this out.
Can't we just throw the necklace away?
Are you tripping? Get real. This is our ticket out of here. Wherever here is.
We should ask around.
Excuse me, could you help us?
What the hell? 6 feet! 6 goddamn feet! Come on, people!
That looked like it done well.
I'd like to see you do better.
Future people seriously need to take their chill pills.
Tell me about it.
Should we keep trying?
They're coming! They're all coming! We are cursed! We are all cursed! Betty! I love you, Betty, but this is the end! We're all gonna die! This is the end! They're coming! They're all coming! This is the end! Betty! I love you! Twinkle, twinkle.
So, if I touch you, we teleport?
Seems like it.
I'll be honest, it's kind of sick.
Yeah, I guess.
But what are we gonna do about it?
Library?